Hello, beautiful viewers. Welcome to our channel. Today, I'll show you how to create a stunning fishbone braid hairstyle that's perfect for any occasion. It looks intricate, but is surprisingly easy to do. So, grab your hair tools and let's get started. For this hairstyle, you'll need a comb, hair ties, and some bobby pins. Optionally, you can use hairspray for extra hold. Start with clean, dry hair. Use a comb to detangle your hair to ensure a smooth braid. You can part your hair in the middle or slightly off-center, depending on your preference. Next, divide your hair into 2 equal sections. Hold one section in each hand. To make it easier to follow, we'll call these sections A and B. Scene script. Start by taking a small section of hair from the outer edge of section A. Cross it over section A and combine it with section B. Now, take a small section of hair from the outer edge of section B, cross it over section B, and combine it with section A. Repeat this process, alternating sides. Always take a small section from the outer edge of one side, cross it over, and combine it with the other side. Remember to keep the sections small for a more intricate look. Continue this pattern until you reach the end of your hair. When you've braided all the way down, secure the end with a hair tie. Gently tug on the braid's edges to create a more voluminous and relaxed look. For a messier and fuller appearance, gently pull on the braid's edges to loosen it up. You can also use hairspray to secure any loose strands. Feel free to add accessories like decorative pins or flowers for a special touch. And there you have it, a beautiful fishbone braid that's perfect for any occasion. It might take a little practice, but once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fantastic hair tutorials. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep trying until you achieve the desired look. If you have any questions or want more tutorials, leave them in the comments below. Have a fantastic day.